Justin here from SewLong, and today I'm super stoked to talk about our products on this new Varatti wake boat. We've got our folding canopy on it, and in a minute we're going to show you our cover. But before we jump into our products, I just want to talk about how cool this boat is. One of the coolest features I think is on this boat is the two thrusters. It's got a bow thruster and a stern thruster. So in a joystick, you can literally spin this boat in place or move it side to side with the joystick. Super awesome feature. Next cool feature is this telescoping tower. You can actually raise and lower, which raises and lowers your bimini top. You can get more headroom and a little less shade, or you can drop it down. You lose a little headroom, but you get more shade in the boat. Here at the back, it's got a giant swim deck with cup holders and everything. It's got a stereo control on the back, and these back seats in Utah to be able to surf legally. You have to have these back seats, so that's kind of cool. Now let's get to the coolest part of this boat. And one of them is this folding canopy top on this tower. As I mentioned, the tower telescopes, so you can raise it up and down. But the coolest part is it's giant and it's easy to use. And on this one, we added this little extra pocket for gear. You can put rope or gloves or any other gear up on the bottom side of the bimini top there in conjunction with your shade. And that's not the only cool thing we got for this boat. So now we got our Tower Down Ratchet cover on this Varatti, and I am so stoked. It's awesome. I'm gonna go through all the details. Starting here up front, you can see it's really form fit. It kind of has a pickle fort design here, so it really fits this like a glove. On all of our covers, we put a different color indicator on this front triangle. That way, when you've got the whole cover in the bow, it makes it really easy to figure out what's the front and get the cover started. Next, working our way back, you can see we've got our cleat cutouts. These don't have Velcro. It allows you to tie your rope on if you want to use this cover on the dock and tie off in the dock. Or if you're just, gonna use the cover on your trailer like we are here, it's a really nice, clean way of doing that. Coming back a little further, you can see we've got reinforcements on the windshield up here on the tower where objects are a little bit sharper. So we've got those reinforced. We've also got a really nice gas cap access here. So when you pull into the gas station, you can pop the boat off without having to take the cover off. Here at the back, I just loosened it up so I can kind of show you how it works to put it on. First, I want to call out though, we put the big vents in the cover. It is a breathable fabric, but we still add the vents to add extra ventilation because it doesn't breathe really well through the fabric, so the vents help for that. So the first thing you'll notice is we've got these really nice grab handles on both corners. You can use that to help pull the cover down into place, as well as we've got these tie downs all the way across the back. So we've got two on the tie down rings on each side and two on the handles. That really helps pull the cover into place. And then lastly, we've got this really nice ratchet here. And this is like the real key to making sure this cover is super tight. And you want to be not afraid to really give this thing a good cranking. And once you've got it cranked down, you can zip that up, and that's nice and protected. We add this little extra flap to protect the zipper. That's one of my pet peeves. See a lot of boats where the zipper's exposed, and that's the first thing to burn up in the sun. So we add this flap. And that's it. For more information on the Varatti covers or any of our other covers, check out SewLong.com.